Hey guys, you know those times when you talk with someone and then you realize they have bad breath? I mean, it stinks. Those times where you just move a little bit and they get closer and you just wish they would stop talking, but they don't because they don't even realize they have bad breath, and you're just like, oh my goodness. Nobody likes that. Not even you, not me. Nobody likes bad breath. The problem is most people don't realize it, including you. Yeah, you might have bad breath and you don't even realize it. So in this video, I'm going to give you my 7 best tips, 7 ways that you can keep your breath fresh all day. Let's get to it. Hey, if it's your first time here, my name is Daniel and welcome to Men's Lifestyle. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Now, let's start with the first proven way to get rid of bad breath. Brush your tongue. Look, if you just always brush your teeth, but you don't brush all that gunk off on your tongue, what's gonna happen? It's gonna stay there and it's gonna stink. No, scrape your tongue clean every time you brush your teeth. Brush your teeth after every meal. Be honest. How many times a day do you brush your teeth? Once? Twice? No, you gotta brush your teeth after every meal. Then you will be sure that you will always have good-looking teeth and your breath will be fresh. You can even take your toothbrush to work. Why not? Avoid a dry mouth. It doesn't matter who you are, what position you are, how rich you are, how poor you are, where you live, your race, it doesn't matter. Every single human, if you have a dry mouth, only 2 things are true. Number 1, it is dry. Number 2, it stinks. So drink more water. Eat the right food. If you're not careful, if you make a habit of eating the wrong food, then you will always have bad breath. So just know what kind of food to avoid most of the time, especially with important meetings. For example, I love coffee. I drink 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day because I love it. But coffee also causes bad breath. So what I do, just in between every cup of coffee, I make sure that I drink water and I rinse it out after a cup of coffee. Other foods that also causes bad breath are garlic, onions, dairy products, peanut butter, horseradish, and pasta sauce. Floss at least once a day. Guys, if you don't do this, it's just gross. I mean, you eat food, it gets stuck in your teeth, it gets bad, it starts to rot, and it will stink. Not only that, it will also cause infection. Now, floss your teeth. Take good care of your teeth. Stop smoking. This is another thing that I talk about on my channel a lot. And guys, it is so annoying when someone comes standing next to you, they talk, and you just smell that tobacco. I mean, it's terrible. Not only does it cause bad breath, but it also damages your gums, and you will have a yellow smile because it stains your teeth. You can stop if you really want to. So why don't you? Now, just a bonus tip. When you're out and about, always keep mints or gum in your car. It's better than nothing. If you realize you have bad breath, it will help. I always keep these fisherman's friends in my car because, of course, I love fishing and I never want to have bad breath. Now, if you want more tips, anything to do with men's lifestyle, check out one of these videos here and I'll see you there. And always remember, life is short, so don't waste yours.